Hello, this is Shodan Sarkar. Welcome to the BOYA BY-VM01 microphone unboxing video. First, let's see the specification. This is a directional condenser microphone and its sensitivity is -40 dB. Let's start the unbox. You can see BOYA offer a dead cat with a windshield. This microphone needs extra AAA batteries to power up, and it has on-off switch. Also, it's include a carrying bag, and at last a manual guide. So back to the microphone. They didn't include a battery, so I can give you a sound test. I will give you a sample sound test in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.